Good morning students. Our topic is History of Computer. Dear children, you know that the computer is a fast calculating machine. A computer is a machine that has been through many development over a period of a time to become a smart machine that we use today. However, in ancient times, early men used pebbles, stone, twigs, bones, and fingers for counting. The development of computer started as mechanical devices. Abacus. Abacus is an ancient instrument used in performing arithmetic calculations. It can do add, subtract, multiply, and divide. It consists of tablet or frame bearing parallel wire or grooves in which the counters or beads are moved. For a skilled user of abacus, could perform addition and subtraction in same speed with the person using an electronic computers. However, multiplication or division are much slower. This is ancient abacus. This is modern abacus. Modern abacus. Abacus is just a representation of the human fingers. The five lower rings in each rod represent the five fingers, and the upper rings represent the two hands. This is modern abacus. A modern abacus is just a representation of the human fingers. The five lower rings in each rod represent the five fingers and the upper ring represent the two hands. Napier's bones, invented by a Scottish named John Napier. He invented the logarithm in 1670 and he got the idea for printed tables. Pascaline. At the age of 19, Blaise Pascal invented the Pascaline in 1642 for his father, who is a tax collector. He had built 50 of the gear-driven one-function calculator, which only performs addition, but he was not able to sell the device because of its high cost and inaccuracy. Pascaline used complicated arrangement of numbered wheels connected by gears. Pascal continued to develop his machine until it can already perform subtraction and addition up to 9-digit long. Jacquard's law. In 1801, Joseph Marie Jacquard, a French inventor, developed the power loom. It was the first machine in which punch cards were used to control a sequence of operations. A punch card is the piece of paper that could store information for doing calculations. The information represented by holes in it. Analytical engine. In 1837, Charles Babbage designed a general-purpose computing device called the analytical engine. It was to be the first programmable mechanical computer. It had many features that are essential part of today's computer. That is why Charles Babbage is known as father of computer. Mark 1. Mark I, developed by Howard H. Aiken in 1944. It was first fully automatic digital computer. It was marked the beginning of the era of modern computing. It is also known as automatic sequence controlled calculator. ENIAC stands for Electronic Numeric Integrator and Calculator. It developed by John Mauchly and J. Presper Eckert in 1946. It was first general purpose computer. It consists of 18,000 vacuum tubes. It was 1,000 times faster than Mark I. UNIVAC. The UNIVAC stands for Universal Automatic Computer. It was the world's first commercial computer designed in 1951. It was the first computer to handle both text and numeric data. It was also developed by John Mauchly and J. Presper Eckert. Other developments in computer field. In 1967, floppy disk drive was invented at IBM. In 1968, the computer mouse is demonstrated by Douglas Engelbart. Children, in 1982, compact disc, most popularly known as CD. It was introduced by Philips and Sony company, released in 1982. Its maximum capacity up to 700 MB. In 1990, GPS system means Global Positioning System was introduced. It is a space-based satellite navigation system that provides location, navigation, tracking, mapping, even calculate the timing. Uh, Nowadays, this is a very popular when we go one place to another place using cap. This system to navigate the location, and we can track other person also for this global positioning system. So this system is so popular right now, and we are using day to day life. In 1995, flat screen plasma display panel PDP TV introduced. A plasma display panel is a flat panel display that uses small cell containing plasma gas that respond to electric fields. Plasma displays were commonly used in large televisions. DVD. DVD means stands for digital versatile disc. The first DVD player was created by Sony Corporation in Japan. It is connected, yeah, it player are connected to a TV to watch movies and song. In 2002, first time the combination of cell phone and digital camera introduced by Sanyo company. The features are 0.3 megapixel, basic flash, self timer, digital zoom, etc. In 2007, Apple introduced its iPhone, the first smartphone designed by, marketed by Apple. It had touchscreen interface and big screen. Before iPhone, mobile had physical keyboard and much smaller screen like this. You can look at the second picture is the older one. 2011, Android introduced 4.0. Before that, Android 1.0 released in 2008, but it's not so popular. In 2011, after the 2011, so many combinations are there. That is why it, Android day by day popular. Android is a mobile operating system. Android is a mobile operating system. In 2015, Apple starts selling the Apple Watch. The Apple Watch was released in April 2015 and quickly became the best-selling wearable device. It incorporates with fitness tracking, music, reading emails, phone calls, etc. That's all for today's session. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay healthy.